In this problem, we need to determine the equations of the tangent line through the origin to the given circle. Let us begin. So first we will specify the slope of the tangent line. We will denote it by the letter m in lowercase. And this tangent line is passing through the origin. Using the point slope form, we can define the equation of the tangent line. The point slope form states that if we have a point with the coordinates x1, y1 and a straight line passes through the point which has a slope of m, then this equation is given by y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. Now in our case, x1, y1 corresponds to the coordinates of the origin. So that means the equation of the tangent line is going to be y minus 0 equals to m times x minus 0, or simply put, we have y equals to m times x. Let this be equation number 1. Now coming to the equation of the circle, here we are given x squared plus y squared plus 20x plus 20y plus 20 equals to 0. So using this equation, we're going to find out the center as well as the radius of the circle. For this, all we have to do is compare it with the general equation of the circle, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2 times gx plus 2 times fy plus c equals to 0. And now we get comparing 2g will be equals to 20. Then 2f value, that will be equals to 20 as well, and c value is also 20. So g value will be equals to 10, f value will be equals to 10. Now to find out the coordinates of the center of the circle, all we have to do is find out negative g comma negative f. That means our circle is centered at negative 10 comma negative 10. Next, we'll try to find out the radius of this particular circle. The radius is given by the formula square root of negative g whole squared plus negative f whole squared minus c. So we have negative g, we have considered negative g to be negative 10. So squaring negative 10 is going to simply give us 100. Similarly for f, we're going to get 100, and from it we're going to subtract c value, which is 20. So 200 minus 20, that's going to be 180. So 180, let's keep it as it is. This is going to be the radius of the circle. So here we have a circle whose center has the coordinates negative 10 comma negative 10. And then we have a line which is tangent to the circle. Let's say at point A, we have already defined the equation of the tangent line, which is y equals to mx. And this particular tangent line is passing through the origin. So let's say this is the origin with coordinates 0 comma 0. Our goal will be to find out the equation of the tangent line. To do this, we're going to use the formula that this, if we drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the point of contact A, then CA will be perpendicular to the tangent line. And this perpendicular distance CA, this will be simply equals to, we'll have to take the coefficient of x. So we have to rewrite the equation of this straight line. So this will be simply m times x minus y equals to 0. Fine. So we'll take the coefficient of x, that's m. M gets multiplied to the x coordinate of the center, that's negative 10. Added to the coefficient of y, which is negative 1. This will get multiplied to the coefficient of the y coordinate of c, so that's negative 10. And then we add it to the constant value. Now here there is no constant value, so this will be 0. This will be divided by the square root of coefficient of x, that's m, square it, added to the square of the coefficient of y. So that's negative 1 squared. CA is nothing but the radius of the circle. So that's square root of 180. So it was 180 equals to absolute value of negative 10m. And then we have positive 10 divided by square root of m squared plus 1. Let's square both sides. We're going to get 180 equals to 10 minus 10m whole squared divided by m squared plus 1. We're going to cross multiply. We're going to get 180m squared plus 180 equals to 100 minus 200m plus 100m squared. So 180 minus 100m squared is going to give us 80m squared. Then we transpose negative 200m to the left hand side to get positive 200m. And then we have 180 minus 100, so that's going to be 80. That's equals to 0. So we're going to factor out 40 from each of the terms. So we get 2m squared plus 5m plus 2 equals to 0. So this is going to give us 2m squared plus 4m plus m plus 2 equals to 0. We have split the middle term. This will be 2 times m multiplied to m plus 2. Added to 1 times m plus 2 equals to 0. So we get 2m plus 1 multiplied to m plus 2 equals to 0. The m value comes out to be -2 and -1/2. Now we're going to replace this in equation 1, y equals to m times x. So y will be equals to -2x, and the other equation, y will be equals to -1/2x. So these are the two equations of the tangent.